Why do I choose ConservatoryLand? The ConservatoryLand, the first is economic is very favorable, and secondly, the service is very attractive. Also, when I visited the ConservatoryLand showroom, I saw that the very impressive with the showroom and also the factory they make this conservatory house. Why do I choose installers? Because I'm not confident to install this the conservatory house myself, and this professional installer they will install this conservatory house very quickly, efficiently, and very professionally finished. We love this conservatory house, and we use very often, especially by sitting, reading, have a sunshine at the morning time, and a really enjoyable place to stay. Very good.